Safety's off. Weapons free.
Memories are terrible.
My name is Ray.
Don't
We
worry.
have a job to do.
I'll be the last thing you remember.
This is your champion. I'm the jump master.
Hello.
Patay.
Ang sakit ng ngipin ko, pre.
Palit tayo.
Tanggalin mo
Walang
na.
ngipin. Ang masakit ko lang
Here we
ngipin,
go.
pre.
God.
Ay, di rin eh, no?
Better find me before I find you.
Ang gago, pre. Wala na akong ngipin, legit. Nagpabunot na ba kayo ng ngipin?
Wala pa, kompleto pa to.
32, tangina. Wala na ako. Dalawa gago.
Bagang.
Hindi bagang. Pero may kailangan akong patanggal. Ayan, dalawa ulit. Ay, apat puta. Time -6.
Pucha, nauna
Papa-
ba sila? Doon tayo?
I say we meet there.
Papa-implants na lang talaga ako.
Oh.
Mahal pa naman ang implants.
Ang gala. Naka 165 talaga. Bakit kaya?
Veneers.
Gagi, paano mag-VVN spray kung walang ngipin?
Hindi, lagyan mo ng veneers.
Pwede. Baka implants muna unahin ko.
Pag nasabay na, pre.
Round 1.
Ang gagong puta, ako milyonaryo.
Hehe.
Kakabili ko lang ng bahay, pre.
Oo nga pala, no?
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 3.
Wala.
Nag-gusto yung boses pa para pipi.
Binibigyan mo ako ng sakit, ah.
Pre, gusto ko mag-quit ka na eh.
Gago. Kakapasok ko lang sa trabaho, quit agad.
Pre, para maka-Japan ulit tayo, di ba?
Paano mapag-Japan? Wala pera.
Illegal, pre, alien.
Alien.
Anong chika?
Wala naman.
Wala.
Gago.
Gusto lang pumasok.
Bait lang yun, bait.
Bait. Anong Tagalog ng bait?
Nang?
Bait.
Tagalog?
Oo.
Pain.
Ayaw nga. Ay, po, puta. Teka lang. Restart lang ako. Restart ko lang buhay ko. BIB.
Shit, sana all kayang ganun, no?
Gago sa try niya yung mismo maligo muna ako.
Kapalagan.
Kita ko lang.
Care package over there. Reached a new level. I've got an upgrade waiting. Every little choice. Contact with hostile.
Saan? Ay, to.
Opening fire. Shield broken. Reloading. Contact with hostile.
Tatlo yan, jump.
I downed an enemy. Recharging my shields. Reload. I downed an enemy.
Wala ko nasa yung isa. Nag-zip eh.
Asa baba? Asa likod ba?
Nag-zip narinig ko eh.
Asa baba?
Enemy taken out.
Nagbato lang ng zip.
Talaga ba?
Di naman siya nag-ano eh.
Narinig ko nag-zip pero hindi ko alam kung saan.
Eh...
Nane.
Siya nakita.
Placing a portal.
Wala. Cancel. Pathfinder naman. Probably yun. Para kunin yung banner. Probably
Yung alin?
yun. Ayan, yung nag-scan. Ay, gagi. Inano mo talaga? Totomate.
Automatic
Anak
arrest.
ba't ako makakit? Ha? What the? Slope lang yun ah. Hindi naman aggressive.
Tutik na yan. Ang daming capsule nakaka-ano.
Oh, marami ng POI ito, pre. Anak na! Ba't ako makakit na maayos? Yun. Ang gala.
Optics here. Mid-range.
Baka nakuha na. Baka mag-respawn dito eh, kaya ako.
New kill leader appointed.
New kill leader. Watch for them. Standard stock here. Level 2.
The kill leader has been eliminated. Round 2.
Next ring's not very close. The champion fell.
Replicator.
I need the help.
Ano daw? Tapos sinabi? What the heck?
Placing a portal.
Wait, what?
Nagtalan din ako kung na lang mag-isa nagsasalita eh. Ito,
What the?
nag-zip dito, so... Probably nandito.
Oo nga. Yung sinabi ko, tapos narinig ko yung pangalan ko dun sa, ano po, sa tok.
Dalawang deadbox yan.
Far ring. 45 left.
Layo natin.
I say we move there.
Sige. Check ko lang ako. Ayun.
Thanks.
Ayun, nawala.
The drop. Oh, what's that? Oh, yun.
Totoo ang di ko magets kung bakit meron siyang bilog. Babaril lang.
Enemies nearby.
Ay, kalaban, may
Isa.
kalaban.
Not alone here.
Saan?
Nakakaano ko.
Care
Ay,
package
ito.
coming in.
Ano, nag-detect.
Heard that.
Ay, hindi, ikaw pala yun. Enemies nearby.
Dito.
Sabi ni Great eh.
What the heck?
Sa kanya!
Likod. May kalaban dito sa ilalim eh.
Ito muna, kalabanin natin, malapit.
Sige. Lugi tayo sa pwesto dyan.
Mas logi sila, dito ako sa baba. Down.
Eh, what?
Another.
Crack. Nice one, dude. Likod!
Chimney. Go to work.
I've been
My
down.
God, hindi na ako nakaano. Parangkada.
That was close.
Sila ata yan eh. Takbo. Sila ata yun eh. Watson
Sila yung-
Pathfinder eh. Yan yun, yung kanina, nag-revive bata.
Ay, we.
Ata, di ko nakita, di ko napansin ko sila isa eh.
Replicator touching down.
Warning mo pa ba kami?
Most likely. Wala ko ibang dadaanan.
Sige, ikaw bahala. Ikaw call bro.
Saan pa sila? Diyan pa sila.
Ay, dyan.
Babantay ang puta.
Akyat ka na lang. Run like a bitch. Ay, sila yan, malamang sa malamang.
Kalaban sila ibang team.
Oh my lord! Huwag ka muna. Pwede mo malot.
Join in, dude. Wow.
Inside the next ring. Ready to win.
Nice one!
Gigil lang eh. Thirst.
Upgrade secured.
What the heck?
closing.
Good. Inside this next ring. Hostiles are making some noise over there. Tango spotted. Got a live one out there.
Round 5. Beginning ring countdown. Kill leader eliminated.
Nice one. Last squad pa rin. Butik sila pa nga ata yun.
Putik na yun, nawalan akong gana. Ay, nawalan ako ng
Sila nga
bala.
yun pre, ayun o, Pathfinder. Mirage na ka ano.
Oo nga, dahig. Ganda nung Pathfinder skin niyo.
We have our Apex champions.
Sila pa nga. Hindi nabura natin sila pa yung nag-champion.
Oo nga eh.
There.
You know my name. Yeah, I saw you. But if I show you heaven. Nasaan na si Ara? Wala pa. Okay. Bakit nag-fail?
Ang ganun po tayo.
I came here to party. Let's rock. I know where we want to be. Follow me.
Alright, I'm gonna be honest, I'm afraid. I'm really afraid. I'm just kidding, nothing scares me.
Introducing your champion.
Get ready, I'm coming for you, friend. Leader.
Shit.
Oh yeah, nice job, guys. You know, we should all
Dropping.
go for pork chops. Who's up for a treating? I think we should move that way.
Laban na sila sa taas.
Laban na rin ba tayo?
Firing.
18.
Throwing thermite.
Nakiano lang ako. Sakit na nervous.
Countdown.
Nervous.
Good,
Nervous.
we're inside.
Wala na palang bala dito. Okay. Ano na tayo? Kanan.
You're in view of the enemy. I think I may have been spotted.
Ayan, yan. Sa kanan mo. Nag-drop.
Hostile right here. Getting shot at.
Ikaw, hindi ko nakuha yung ano. Mastiff.
Extended light mag here. Level 3.
Malapit yun.
Kaya nga eh.
Ano, katabi lang natin. What? Hindi mo tamaan?
Down. Wala ako ng baril.
There's another squad.
Ay, the heck.
They got me. I'm down.
Open supply bin over here.
Bam to the woozle.
Reloading. Made it to the next level. Went up there.
Charge.
Enemy down. Getting shot at. Already inside.
My back.
Ang bala.
Broken. Phasing.
Asan? Ah, yun.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Patching myself up. Pass chosen. Got an idea where it
Ako ano,
leads.
buhay ah.
Spotted. Recharging my shields. Heads up.
Thermite grenade out. Go out and bamboozle him.
Spotted. Double timing it.
Nawala eh.
I think this place needs a little more.
Umikot yun.
Kanina yung Bloodhound. Harap-harapan na yun, hindi ko matamaan.
Eh,
Give my shield a recharge.
sinapak ko nga yun eh. Naangat pala yun, ang easy.
Firing.
Healing.
Hostile spotted.
Recharging shields.
Dito. Ayun, makatakbo. Oh, fucking gay.
For the fools.
So,
Captain, give me a sec.
baka kailangan mo ng ano.
Lord, ang dami pala masyado bala nun.
Baka kailangan mo ng cells.
Ano ba ito?
Cells ko?
Tama ba?
13.
Not safe, they're close. I think there's enemies in the area.
Huh?
Alam niyo, alam.
Kala ba ka dyan?
Nag-notify si...
Booking!
Hanap ko ako nasaan.
Tutukan kayo siguro.
Hindi, ano, kinuha ko passive yung kapag may nearby enemy.
Radius? What?
Hanap ko nga eh.
Tao dito, sa labas.
Dyan lang sa binayan.
Oo, tumalon.
Ito.
Ba't dito mama yun?
Throwing arc star.
Run, dalawa.
Baba eh.
close. Enemy shield broken. Reloading.
Nag-zip.
Nagano? Galing ah.
May isa pa nag-zip.
Hindi tumama.
Void jumping. Hostile close.
Another squad.
Yeah.
Ito.
Need you.
Ay, hindi ko na ba to? May bago pang squad sa likod.
Shots fired, and they're hitting me. Fire.
Wait. What?
Bam to the woozle.
Nandito, sa bubong.
Sending out a decoy.
Punching a tunnel. They spotted me. I'm taking shots.
过来，我来扶你。
Portal's ready. Need to recharge my shields.
Dito ako dyan. Ay, kalaban!
Enemy shield.
Oh, nice one.
Enemy down. Patching myself up.
Sige lang. Ako mag-notify sa'yo.
2. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's
Dalawang
clogged.
squad yun
Need to
eh.
recharge my shields.
Relax. I got everything.
Replicator beacon deployed. Give it in the chimney. Give my shield a recharge.
进圈。
Oh, namatay ka! Nice!
Squads
Oh!
down. We made the right choices. Half the squads remain.
Ano ba?
Putik na yun. Ano na yun? Flash.
Ambush! There's another squad!
Wala ka SS. SSL mo na kung ma-SSL mo.
Oh, painless knocking at the door.
May tao sa likod.
Right here.
Spotted.
Void jumping.
Ay, Lord.
Getting shot at. You got bamboozled. Opening.
Tayo po pwesto dito.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Pangit ah, parang...
Takbo na tayo dito. Dito na lang. Dito nga.
Saan?
We should go here.
Dito. No choice eh.
Saan ka?
Dito.
Might be something good this way.
Aray ko!
They got me!
Sa baba.
Gagi,
sa
di ka
baba.
makita.
Broken enemy shield.
Throw a grenade out.
Dito, meron dalawa dito
Give him
sa...
my shield to recharge. Oh man, we lost one. Now I have
Di
to
ko
do
makita,
extra
di
work.
kita makita
Send in a
kanina.
decoy.
Dito
Wait,
lang
how
sa
do I know
baba.
I'm not the decoy?
Wala akong magawa. Run!
Sige lang, run ka lang. Garage naman. May ulti na yun. Saan kayo iikot niyan?
Dito.
Listen, let's move that way.
Warning. Ring release in
Lang,
progress.
ikutan eh.
哎，来，逃了一
Rings
塔，逃了
coming
一
in.
塔。
Game. Yeah. Kala mo naiintindihan ko siya eh. Para na-feel ko sa puso ko, sinabi niya, may ibak ako, dito tayo. Oh, sige lang.
Ayun, may
Target over
kalaban.
there. Care package coming in.
Makakit ba ako dito? Siyempre hindi. Ay, putik,
Oo.
nakakyat. What?
Bakit siya?
I-spectate mo, di ko alam eh.
Patch myself up.
Putik yan,
Good.
nag-heal sa
Got my
labas ng
ultimate
ring.
ready.
One sec, healing up.
Ah, gusto niya mang craft ng
Frag
banner.
out.
One sec, healing up.
Takbo na, may ipit ka.
Putsang, inakala ko may tagusan. Ano ba nakuha yung cell?
Eh,
Void jumping.
Ako dadaan.
ipit! Wala kang ibang.
Patching myself up.
wala kang ulti, tas mang-kidnap ka.
Think there's enemies in the area. Patching myself up.
Ay, Niva ko.
Replicator.
Pucha, mali.
I'm deploying that tower for us. Patching myself up.
That shows we're spread out.
Sa side,
Passing that
di ka
info
makasya
along.
sa... Ay, abot pa.
Try durin kita. Pupunta ako sa side mo.
45 seconds, rings close.
Yeah.
Care package over there. Patching myself up. Less than 30 seconds. Rings nearby. Let's explore this way.
Tingnan mo nga. Tingnan mo muna. Hintayin mo muna lumiit yung ring. Baka mamaya maano ka. Maipit kayo.
Nakraft ka ba? Saka lang may ano.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Enemies
Respawn bacon.
I feel like there are enemies nearby.
Delivering care.
Patching myself up.
Nataas sa bubong niya.
Someone's got a shot on me, pretty sure.
Got an evil harvester here. Shot
Wait.
fired.
There's an enemy. I'm taking shots.
Go bamboozle.
Boy running. Healing up. Eyes are open though. Need to reach.
Bad news.
Ah! Bakit ka pa palag? Bobo naman nun?
Looks like you only truly
Nakatago na nga eh. Mirage ka na nga eh.
and that story of the time I slept.
Mirage eh. Pachang ka lang yan.
Tinapindot.
Bella ciao, Bella ciao. Puting! Humarap talaga siya eh.
Kanina pa yun kahit ako eh. Nandun ako nung namatay ako.
Kalang yarn. Kuha na ako ng cookies.
Pwede pala ako mag-perage eh. Siya nanteno.
My #1 fan's watching, so you know I'll be fantab-you-listic.
I've got everything.
I was born ready, so I don't know what not ready is.
Oh.
This is your champion.
Oh my lord. Carrier.
Rose.
I'm the jump master. This time.
Ito mag-drop dito eh.
Ito.
Dropping in.
They might be watching you.
Spag, okay lang yan. Oh. Ay, takto nga. Takto spag na yan. Sa taas lang natin. Kumaliwa yung isa.
That was
Eh,
great.
katabi natin yung isa.
Let's do it again.
Spread out, bro. Spread out.
Some friendlies are near me.
Oh, someone got the party started. Someone's gotta take out the new kill leader. They're too cocky.
Tara, palag na ba tayo? Ready na ba kayo?
Hanap ko nga eh.
Parang tutok na tutok ako eh. Wait lang.
Standard stock here. Level 3.
Ayun na, nag-scan na.
Tapos ako, wait lang.
Extended light mag here. Level 2. Hostile spotted.
What the heck, guys?
Saan?
Sa bubong.
Throwing thermite grenade.
Tayo.
Frag out.
Pre, meron na akong ano. Gold...
Enemy there.
knockout. Knockdown. Kunin mo, kunin mo.
Saan ka?
So, dito lang sa baba.
Package.
Care package coming down.
Bam! Bam! Guess I'm running out of ideas.
Ako sa turin eh.
Diyan na.
Close. Meron pang nasa taas natin, sure ka?
Meron dito.
Nawala na.
Oh, wala, tumalon na.
Target spotted.
Ito na kanin, meron.
May nagsascan eh.
Basag oh.
Saan?
Nakanan. Ito.
Ayun. Sakti.
Flash!
Reloading.
Flash!
Saan flash?
Making contact with enemy.
Uy, may nagbato ng bomba.
May
Ayun
nasa
nga, may tao
taas.
sa...
Need a new one.
Tao nga sa bubong.
Shots. Reloading.
Ito sa likod meron.
Getting shot at. Shaft in place.
I've
Oh
been
my
down.
god, naano pa rin ako dun. Down niya na down.
Recharging shield.
Bam! Bam! Just relax. I got everything under control. Target shot!
What the heck?
Kita ka, gagi. Hindi ka nag-spell.
Enemy reviving here.
What the
fuck
heck?
is that gun? Talaga nawala pala sa taas yun, yung bloodhound.
Alright, just relax. I got everything under control.
Bomba.
Ikabot.
Hey, right
Patching
here.
myself up.
Boozle.
Mark right here. Hey, right here. Go that way. Right here.
Naliligaw ako.
Now I have to do action.
Isa na lang pa, isa na lang.
Another enemy down.
Sige. Crack na yan. Hindi pa?
Enemy shield.
Panit.
Reloading.
Got the bandage.
May nalan, pre.
Taking shots. Whole squad's down. We made the right choices.
Nice
I knew you were
one.
an asset to this team.
Reloading. This upgrade should help. Gotta hop up
Patch
here.
myself up.
Hammer point. Gotta hop up here. Disruptor. Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Wala mo ilang damage ko dun.
Ito, ano, ilan ba?
Walaan mo. Hindi ko
200,
sasabihin.
ganyan.
Ay, grabe ka naman. 40 lang. Ang hiragil. 40 ang butik.
Baka lang ka naman. Damage is damage.
Ha?
Maganda ka ng rest mo. Buti na pinito sa'yo yung ano. Yung gold.
Okay, buti nilipat mo yung gold sa akin.
Damage ka na sa 391.
Sa'yo lahat yun eh.
Okay na, sige. Cut mo na.
Optics here. Sniper.
Triple tick. Naliligaw kasi talaga ako kanina eh. Bawat
Pero buti,
ping parang...
Nareas mo ako doon sa corner. Kanina.
Oo nga eh. Hindi kaya kasi tinurse talaga ng super thirst.
Ah!
Yung tinurse ka niya doon. Okay, next game.
Ultimate accelerant
Okay.
here.
Siguro ko natin, mas talo tayo doon. Umiinom na ako ng gatas. Di ba ako nagtitiple eh?
At dahil.
Oo, di ako nagtitiple eh. Bakit yung blood hindi talaga siya nawala sa taas?
Oo
ako
nga eh,
napatay
takting yan.
Buti na down niya, pero na-up pa rin.
Ang kulit niya eh. Talaga literal scanner lang eh. Mabagay ako nga, literal sealer lang eh.
Tapos. Palagay pa rin. Ganda ng RN sa habok ka.
Drop? Ako yun.
Sabagay, nakuha ko na ba yung...
Optics here. Close range.
May times 3 ako, need mo?
Times 3.
Ito, times
Optics here. Mid-range.
Wait. Footstep?
Ako? Ako ba?
Ito nga, ikaw nga muna. May kita mag-ano si ano, di ba?
Bubulong sa akin si Ray.
Yun.
Coming in. Some prey there.
May drop nga, may drop. Papalaga ba natin?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Alam mo, mag-AI kalaban eh.
Pang ano eh. Okay lang, pwede naman.
Fuck! Fuck!
May tao nga doon.
Gotta hop up here. Hammer point.
They're near you.
Full set loader na pala ako.
They are near you, sabi ni Ray.
I cracked a target shield. Opening fire on our prey.
Heard that.
Down to mark.
Wait, what?
Where is it? Ping, please.
Enemy spotted.
Ay, layo.
Reloading.
What?
I downed an enemy.
What?
Behind that one, behind.
Enemy taking out.
Meron pa isa,
going in.
tumalon. Meron pa dyan ah. Crack.
Broken enemy shield. Making contact with enemy.
Gonna use the Phoenix kit.
Phasing.
I'm healing! Dead!
I'm hurt.
Thermite out.
Patay na ba yung isa?
Yung isang na flash. Wala patay.
Dito. Ito, sa gilid.
Getting shot at. Recharging my shields.
Tao dito.
Making contact here. Sending out another
Saan,
beam.
saan?
Damn, he's good looking.
Ito, yan oh.
Shot at.
Dito sa loob ng bahay.
Recharge.
I downed an enemy.
Nice one. Oy, may tao sa likod.
Clean kill.
Kampi yata nila yun eh.
Enemy killed. I took care of it, don't worry.
Getting shot at. Good. We're inside. Recharging my shields.
Bebe!
Another squad's attacking. Focus. Getting shot at.
I'm gonna port, okay? Gonna port.
Placing a portal.
Uy, may bomba. What the heck?
Let's move that way.
Come.
My shield.
Need to recharge my shields.
Give him my shield to
Portal.
recharge.
Ay, portal.
Hindi kasi
Portal here.
sinalubong ko yung bomba. Sakto yung portal dun sa bomba eh.
Ah, shucks. May bagong kalaban eh. O reposition nga
Kaya nga.
Optics here. Close range. Target over there.
I cracked the target's shield. Shattered Prey's shield.
Pre, saan ka pre?
Dito lang.
Nasa kanya.
Already inside.
Okay, I'm going.
Damn, he's good looking.
Recharging my shields.
Care package over
Over
there.
there.
Heal.
Blue. Pangit ng tunog ng wingman, hindi mabigat. Kadiri, parang plastic.
Nakakaramdam na ako. Bakit?
Dito tayo, akit tayo dito.
Need to recharge my shields.
Dito ako magsistay
Shattered
ako dito.
Prey's shield. Opening fire on
Saan?
our prey.
Meron dyan ah. Crack.
Oh my god!
Me. Send it up.
Oh my god! Sa mga kalaban, pre! Oh my lord!
Need to recharge my shields.
Give him my shield to recharge.
Patching myself up.
Throwing thermite.
2 teams above, 2 teams. Punta ako dyan.
Wait. Dito ka.
Ah, dyan ka pumunta.
Dito.
Care package over there.
Punta ka, ano?
Squad's attacking. Focus. Need to recharge my shields.
There. Getting shot at. Faking him out with a decoy.
Getting shot at. I'm down.
Doon, dilikuran niya.
Dalawang team. Magkasugod.
Here.
Getting shot at. Need to recharge my.
Go here.
Listen, let's move here.
Just fall here, bro.
Blade jumping.
Crack.
Yan, wait up, pre.
Getting shot.
Gonna use it.
Apa?
Need to recharge my shields.
Sige. Ika, ba't? Tama.
Wala na ako shield.
Care package over there.
I do not have shit.
Ito. Dito ka sa akin.
Okay, lang.
Need to recharge my shields. Patching myself up.
Meron ka bang ano? Mobile rig?
Meron.
Hindi nga. Kunin ko siya.
Oh, meron.
Whoever.
Frag out. Large star.
Kunin mo na.
Hindi ko makuha.
Eh,
May kalaban.
wala portal.
Look out, grenade. Avoid jumping.
Isa. Basta lang ako. Kung hindi ko makuha, hindi ko makuha.
Patching myself up.
May Phoenix ako dito. Ay.
Ito lang, meron na ako. Last squad ka, pre.
Kaya nga eh. Andun sila. Tara, 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 tara.
Pato na tayo.
Throwing Arc Star. Frag out.
Nandito sa likod. Bumaba.
Open.
Sending out my decoy. Already in the next ring. Whatever.
Enemy down. Killed an enemy.
That was a good kill.
May nagre-revive.
Reloading. Patching myself up.
Sa baba. Ito.
Enemy down. Reloading. Downed another.
Ito tayo, sa akin, sa akin!
Another squad attack. Reload. That was the
Last squad,
last
isa na lang
one.
ano.
Nice work.
Ito. Last one. Crack na yan. Nice one, dude.
My lord, I'm swearing!
I'm swearing.
Nagpalit ako ng baril, pinalitan ko yung Hemlock.
Buti pumutok pa yung huli kong peacekeeper.
You are the Apex
Bago ako ma-down, what the heck?
Day out, bro. Day out. Ilang kills ko doon? Ano ata? Lagpas 10 ata.
Okay.
Oo.
Really?
11.
Oh, 11? What? 3k damage?
Nice.
Sarap naman na rin. Yung isa bumalik,
Trending
hindi na
pa eh.
bumalik.
Hindi, bumalik pa siya. Nagkaka-DC lang. Ano? Natapos na. Talo.
Hindi, yung isa si Hunter.
Ay. Ang ganda ng pre-hit ko doon sa taas kanina.
Kaya nga eh.
Good call yun. Sabi mong tugurin natin. Dalawa na down ko sa kabila. Dalawa din na down ko doon sa isa. Tapos yung napatay yung altar. Patay ko rin yung...
Kaya naman ako, Dave. Grabe yung amoy nito. Gantong-ganto yung amoy ng Indian sa school eh. Oh?
Wala.
Sheesh! Dala silang biryani.
So I like to have a little fun, so what?
I was created for this, I think.
No, come on, don't die.
Death is not on our path. Not yet.
Try mo na.
Pagtalo, change game.
Kanina nga, nung nag-3k damage ka, sabi ko, okay na, tara, Dota na tayo.
Tonggola, hindi pa tayo champion squad doon. Pre, 2v... Ano yun?
Stay close.
2v6?
I'm the jump master.
Akala ko, Us two versus the world.
Actually, kasi yung unang clash natin, tayo dalawa yung nabuhay dun eh. Oh.
40 damage.
Saan tayo, pre? Ito nga.
I'm Jump Master. I'll pick the party spot.
Jump Master.
Leader, I think we should move that way.
Heard that.
Sabay tayo.
Kalaban ba ito nasa kaliwa?
Heads up, got one here.
Kalaban niya, kalaban.
Ang kalaban ba yun? Puti kala ko, clone mo eh. Doon sana bababa. Ayun ba?
Kill leader. Frag out.
Kung maintindihan pa, wait lang.
Shot fired, and they're hitting me.
Uy, dalawa! Crack na to, crack na to.
Ah! Dito ko naman!
I'm taking shots.
Nice one. Last one is cracked. Up. You heal.
There's.
Contact with hostile.
Got one here.
Don't worry, I'm here. Reloading.
Go, pick up.
I'm
Here, run. Run away.
Just using a Phoenix kit.
Don't worry, I'm here. I am repairing myself.
This upgrade should help.
Give him my shield.
Good spot. Pusa, walang kabala-bala.
Contact with target.
Ayan.
Great, already inside the ring.
Huh?
Ano? Oh! My lord.
New kill leader.
Broke that enemy
Oh,
shield.
damn, nice.
Crack. 70 flash.
Go.
Yeah, getting shot at.
Mag-isa lang.
Reloading.
Oo, ito na yung natira.
Nice.
Wow, looks like that was the last one of the squad.
Anak ng puro light!
Eh, akin din. Kahit di na akin.
Ay, lord. Kailangan ako magiging choosy eh, kasi nag-crash na eh.
Ito.
1 minute.
Wait, Havoc?
I could use that.
O pa talaga tayo, pre.
Energy.
Oh, saan na?
We're down to 50%.
Yung namatay dun sa ano. Yung namatay na yan, puro ano yun, energy.
Asan ba? Asan ba yung bangkay?
Andun sa pagbaba.
Ay, tanga. Pagbaba? Saan yun?
Kita mo na.
Yung bangkay hindi. Pero alam ko dito yun eh.
Dito.
Copy that.
Wala ba? Saan ba? Ayun nga, tama.
Bakit siya na ipagbakbakan eh. Tapos 55 damage ulit.
Bad trip yung ano, kung mapanuhalad mo sa record nito mamaya. Or sa super. Diba? Anong nangyari? Naka-pistol ako. Yung bumabaril sa'yo, mapapatay ko na. Biglang nag-choke yung mga tatlong bala, one hit na lang siya.
Choke pa.
Dibs.
Target over there. Setting
Go,
up a
go,
zip
go.
line.
Fighting, fighting.
Oh, grabe. Fighting, fighting. Go, go, go.
We are
Fighting, fighting.
believers.
Go, go. Fighting, fighting. Grabe yun ah.
Ito na. Susugod na rin ako.
Let's fighting.
Send in a decoy. Wait, how do I know I'm not decoy?
Yeah, fighting, fighting. Running,
Enemy
running.
spotted.
Heard that.
Grabe yun. Habol kung habol eh.
Target spotted.
Enemies nearby.
I think there's enemies in the area.
Enemy over there.
So one.
Ay, hindi. May nagano.
Zip line here. Firing. Broke that enemy shield.
My lord.
Reloading.
Shots fired and they're hitting me.
Ang saan? Saka, di na ka tumatama.
May crypto. Ganyan narinig ko sa likod kanina.
Yeah, I'm getting shot at.
One, only one. Target him.
One more squad. Sa'yo ba yan? Ay, wow, technique ka pala.
Hindi. Get inside.
You got
Resting now.
Go, cover.
Great.
Grenade. Watch out.
Hit over here.
Just relax. I got everything under control.
Got a
Sa likod.
Oh my god,
I've been down.
tulong. Dalawang mamamatay na. Wag ka mag...
Relax. I got everything under control.
Hindi ko makikita. Dalawang squad yan.
Cisco.
I'm down.
Oh my.
Bam, there goes a...
Slide, naka...
Still here.
Parang dumagdag.
Dalawang team yan.
Tago.
If the prey cannot adapt.
Takbo mo, pre. Nag-slide, nakita ko nag-slide sa akin ng PK. Takbo mo na, pre.
Teka.
May recipe. Static array? Nakahating
Let's go over there.
Run like a bitch, bullshit. Ito yung tropa natin. Tago yung tropa natin.
Patay na siya.
Oh my lord!
Puti.
Kaya. Doubt pa ba ako?
Mag-doubt ka na't mag-doubt. Pati ako nagda-doubt din ako sa sarili ko.
I leveled up. Do we get awards for that, or... Oh, we get upgrades. Hey, a new upgrade. Spiffy. Oh, wait, is that... Do people say that? Already
Fuck,
inside
may
the
tao.
room. Nice.
Ka magka-clap?
Ano yung naririnig ko?
Yung ano lang, sound effect lang ng lugar.
Fuck, kala ko kalaban.
Kala mo si Crypto, no?
Oo.
Nice, thanks bro.
Bait oh.
Every
Ano
little
na yan?
choice changes the path.
Faking him out with a decoy.
Heads up. New kill leader. Care package over here.
Here.
Kuha lang niya yung ano. Bumag yun ah.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Replicator here. It
Ay,
might have
kalaban
something
niya!
we need. Crafting, but keep it hostile over there.
Son.
Got a replicator coming in.
Hostile close.
Shield broken. Enemy down.
I'm gonna heal, okay?
Oh god. Coming.
Wait. No more heals.
Help me!
Damn, bro!
Range close. 45 seconds.
Down.
Down.
Only one.
Enemy shield broken.
I open the door.
Getting shot at.
Bye.
Champion eliminated.
Last member's down.
Whoever. Taking out the chain.
Need to recharge my shields.
Patay siya? Putik na yan? Meron pa bang ano?
Ito, may
Respawn beacon over there.
Meron kang...
1 sec. Healing
Ayun
up.
na, nababa na. Kailangan ko balikan yung isa, kailangan ko mag-loot.
Loot ka na, malapit na naman lang eh.
Kaso may kalaban sa likod eh.
Progress.
Saan?
Enemies
Wala ba?
nearby.
Oo nga,
I'm sure
meron nga,
we're not
meron.
alone here.
Enemies nearby sabi.
It looks like people have been there. Care package over there.
Go.
The enemies are shooting.
Ayan na, diba?
Opening fire.
Giving my shields a.
Yeah, getting shot at.
Dito tayo punta.
Giving my shield to recharge.
Dito.
How about this way?
Round
Sending out another me.
beginning ring countdown.
Dito ako dadan, pre, dito, sa likod.
Ito eh.
Attention.
Ah, pala meron kit, what the fuck? Ang dami kong ano.
Replicator incoming.
Let's go behind this one.
Okay.
So, ikutan na lang natin, pre. Siguro ah,
Okay.
siguro. Ano? Drop
Ah.
yan?
1
Drop
minute
yan?
until close.
Uy,
Fighting.
Hindi ko makikita eh.
fuck!
Matak. Nice one.
Left fighting. Go.
Dalawang ano lang eh. Pupunta rin ako, pupunta ako.
Si ba?
Wait, what?
Oh, pupunta ako. Nagpa-fight sila eh. Nanokis ko na lang yan, pre.
Sige. Okay.
They're near you. I think there's enemies in the area.
A shooter.
Not sure. I think
Contact with
they're
hostile. The enemies are shooting at me. Frag out.
50.
Ito sa likod.
two shots.
Here I go.
Nababaw.
Right here.
Next
Need
one.
to recharge my shields.
Pre!
Bad news.
Aray ko!
Go.
Ay, okay.
May blood. Ito.
The
Ayun, ito. Nice one. Ito pa. Nice one! My God, that is a back-to-back
Only
game.
one way left to go.
T-bag.
Tama na pala talaga yung inam natin.
Maganda yun.
O pre, taghirap nun.
You are the
Taktiya.
Apex champion.
Kaya nga eh. Hindi, pre, ang dami kong dami kong
Ang
kills.
ganda ng ano niya, Pathfinder. Oh my
Oo nga.
lord.
Oo nga, no? Sheesh. That's squishy.
Oh my lord. 7 kills ako doon. Sakting.
Grabe, wala pa 500 yung damage ko doon.
Grabe habok pre.
Grabe, ikot-ikot lang ah. Grabe, dalawang game panalo, ayaw na tumuloy. Ayaw na tumuloy sa lobby.
Putik na yan, magano pa ba? Magdadota pa ba?
Getting closer.
Magdadota pa ba? Parang masarap na tulog ng ganun eh, okay na yan.
Ayaw na ba? Di na ba?
Di pa, kaya pa.
Ano? Ano lang. Di pa, Dota na. Tapos.
Ay, hindi, maganda mag-Dota na tayo kasi 2 games na yun in a row eh.
Okay.
Baka